Sanibonani Nijani, welcome back to our YouTube channel Under the Sun, where we speak about anything and everything. There's no topic here that is off limits or limited or unlimited. Today we want to discuss and review a full episode of Uthando Nesithembu, which took place last night, which was Thursday, and today it's Friday. First things first, let's discuss something. The wives, they still in retreat, and they were asked ukuthi basamthanda yini uMthombeni. So Uma Khumalo was asked, and Uma Khumalo, first thing that she says umseleko wathi mina akasamthandi lo Thobile lo oyena akamazi wazi Thobile lo omdala osemncane ahlangana naye. Therefore uma Khumalo ke wayesethi ke naye hayi nami ngimthandi lo Mthombeni lo uMthombeni engangimthanda akusiyena lo. And then they go to uMangwabe, and uma sekubuza uMangwabe uThobile usemgqolozela uMangwabe. But I want to say something. uThobile is trying to recruit uMangwabe kwi-rival or kwi-conflict yakhe anayo no Musa Mseleko, of which is very wrong. The relationship yabo both, I don't think ukuthi proper. Yes, they've never been enemies that much, but uThobile is trying so hard now to befriend uMbali ngalendlela ukuthi ufuna uMseleko ayifile le pain ekubabona ukuthi bandawonye bayazwana, but uThobile akamkhulumisa uMseleko. And also uThobile, in my opinion, upoisona uMbali, ufuna uMbali abe yilento uThobile aseyona. uThobile is fighting her own battles zasamke ongafuna samke, whereby uMangwabe has spoken up asindaba samke. But uMangwabe, there's something I love about Mangwabe, and I tell you right now, I want to so sorry Mangwabe, because see, all these years I've always said this is the only, like, I didn't understand her that much. But I can tell you one thing, out of all the wives beside uMacele ayimvela Msangano, akekho umuntu ohlonipha uMusa njengoMangwabe nomthanda njengoMangwabe. Ngicabanga ukuthi there's this time one of the izolo uthena uMangwabe, if sasiba neqiniso uMseleko has done a lot for this family, and he keeps on doing a lot for us as the wives and the kids. Like Thobile uMangwabe still appreciates uMseleko, still understand ukuthi uMseleko is the husband, and still understand the fact ukuthi angeke swadla amandla akho. Yebo unamanga uMseleko siyavuma, he's such a liar, but we're not going to take away the fact ukuthi you've done a lot for us as your wives. And umbonile uSimangabe yisho lonto, you know, ayihlali kahle endlebeni zaThobile. So now uMangwabe uba nokusaba ukukhuluma kahle, ngoba uthe mangabe buzwa kusagcwele abafazi khona uThobile usembukele sethena no angisamthandi, wathi hey wathi hayi nami uthando ngathi alisekho. No, into engidina ngoMangwabe, she is easily influenced. Akakwazi ukuhlala entweni uma ngabe bona amanye amehlo abantu. She is able to speak nicely and respectfully nomkhwenyana wakhe if bebawu two, but mebona amehlo laba abanye abahlaza, she then buys the faces and also speaks the same way kumSeleko, whereby she's not that kind of a person. I have, for the past 4 episodes, I am listening to her, the way she speaks. No, hayi phela uMusa umyeni wami at the end of the day, hayi cha phela ngeke umyeni wami lona angeke ngivuma, you know. I know Musa has done a lot, but as much as Mangwabe is not happy but certain things, but Mangwabe at the same time is able to appreciate and understand that this is my husband. I believe Mangwabe, there's so many things angabe yazenza lapha ya kumSeleko if ukuthi akekho influence at some stage aba influence these wives, especially uThobile. We see uThobile ehleleke noMbali kwi-jacuzzi. Obviously bayahleba ngubani ngomSeleko. Ubani uqala ukuhleba? uMangwabe, uMakhumalo, uyena uqala unhlebo ukuze kuhlebe ngobani ngohusband wakhe. And obviously because I think uMangwabe lezi esikoleni ezazi kwakuthiwa mengabe kukhona olidi group athi namhlanje sidlala amakoti, naye avuma athi sidlala amakoti, like akakwazi ukuma entweni by herself at no, but and akakwazi ukubonisa abantu uMangwabe, akakwazi ukumbonisa uThobile. Ngingathi nje uThobile uyiqhalaqhala kuMangwabe. Angicotha ngiphuza ichampagne noma ngiphuza iwine noma ngithi qa isavana, angiphuza amanzi nje, sparkling water. Angazi nokuthi ayakuphi lento. So and yeah, we then hear about i-case ye-Thanks Ma production that umsele kwakhuluma ngaye athi uhambe inkantolo, there's a person othi uyamkweleta, but then udlulisa ubuhlungu umsele uthi I have spoken about this thing nabafazi bami, but akekho no-one kubona who ever thought of ukuthi ahambe nami angiye enkantolo, bonke abangisupport. Ngiya-understand kumaceleke, but uMakhumalo or uMangwabi would have been one of the two abazohamba naye, but because they are not in good terms with uMakhumalo, so therefore they can't. uMakhumalo can't phelezela uMusa, but uMangwabi waya ngaye for sure. uMangwabi akayi because use-influence uThobile ukuthi angahambi ayokwenza njani aphelezele uMseleki. Why would we have 4 wives and not even one appears in court now? Not even one. You have a family of about 20 something, not even one person ohamba now. Why? We see also a very nice and mellow relationship between Umayeni no Musa when they were speaking, and they one thing that made me laugh, the fact ukuthi Umayeni repeats, and so is Mangwabi, and so is uMacele ukuthi uMusa unamanga. Musa is a liar. Musa lies a lot. When Musa said akazi lutho ngendaba yakulobolwa kaSamke, 10 zikathu Samke walotsholwa ngo-2023, and uMusa is the one owabiza abantu abahambisa laphaya, and akazange atshele umuntu. But one thing I know for sure, Macele knew, but Macele had to play along naye phela athi akazi just for the fact ukuthi ufuna ukuprotect her, you know, obiyeni wakhe ifamily yakhe ukuthi kungadliwa nawe kuthiwe yena wayeza. So the footage shows us ukuthi uSamke uMakhwela was lobolwathi
njengoba ngifuna ukuthatha nonkosikazi engizomfaka la emagcekeni. Inkinga yami ke akukavunyelwana mina nomama.
Nilonke nje mthombe nawe abathile.
Hayi ukuthi ngingabatsheli, bayazi bona ukuthi ngifuna ukugaba, kodwa abazi ukuthi ngiyagaba. Kuzofuneka ninikele khona lapha ke namhlanje. Kahle kahle inkomo zingaphezulu kwa-50 ezokhulu yolala ngingadleki kweminye imizi. Futhi process sesiyiqalile yokulobola, and akekho umuntu ebesomtshela ngokuthi sihamba leyo ndlela, because lowo umuntu usho ukuthi bese sikweqile wena mangabe simtshela. Manje umuntu mazi ukuthi uMakhwela kalotholwanga ngo-2023 ingoba asimtshelanga.
Yabo esibhedlela njengoba umhambisa umshushubisa khona umthombeni wathi akazi ubone engawufika nomuntu. So kuningi okwenziwa uwena umthombeni
nafunana nokuphawula ngoba
akazi ulotsholwe nini ngani apparently kwahlelwa uLwandle wathatha ikhadi wakhipha imali sengangukuthi ugaxelisiwe.
Kahle kahle mawuthi uyabheka noma uyalalela, ayikho into ewukusizakala uma nje bekwazile ukukhuluma ukuthi mina ngimubi kangakanani. I think lokho kuzobanelisa. Bengicela lokho
kuyiwa nje laphaya kusekunomsebenzi abafazi sebekhona. uSamke was already lobolwathi. Is the wives ababengazi babethi iyaphi intombi phela kwabelwa oMacele bethi intombi iyaphi ikanje, kanti no, lo muntu usekhokhele lobola makafika that day ubefika ezumakoti. Oh Musa, do you guys remember ku-introduce uSamke bejekiswe endleleni laphayana kuthiwa khathi enza umsebenzi? Ngiyawusola kwalo msebenzi because the question was like ungena kanjani emagcekeni asemzombe eyintombi na? Wathi Musa hayi ngifuna nje babone, kanti wasekhokhela lobolo. It's just that Musa wadecide ukuthi akavala umlomo uthi awathula ngoba wazi ukuthi bazomthethisa. I'm going to need Musa Mseleki to be stronger than what he is and who he is right now. I need him to try harder. I need him to fight for that family. I need him to put the authority again. I know it's going to be difficult. I know kunzima, but it's possible. he can still pull ama strings there and there and there. And we see uSamke family yakhe well, the friends, they're complaining ukuthi umusa usha phambili ayishemva. Yes, I do believe that the family yakamakhwela do believe the fact ukuthi umusa akekho strong enough akwazi ukutshela abafazi bakhe ukuthi now sekenza lo 1 and 2 and 3. I share the same sentiments as them. I think indaba kaSamke kubo wife number 5 is something that doesn't need to be actually discussed. It's being discussed kwaze kwasasiyi discuss. Kumele bamlethe umusa, kumele lethe uSamke endlini baphuma bafuna ukuphuma bangamkhulumisa bafuna ukumkhulumisa. Inazi badla aqala isithembu sakhe sisha at the end of the day. So the family kaSamke ekhala ngalonto ukuthi kwavelwa kayi1 and there's nothing happening right now and they don't know ukuthi uthini umqhubekela phambili. Basola umusa ngokuthi uyabasaba abafazi bakhe. I wouldn't say uyabasaba, I would just say he's just soft by nature at the end of the day. So yeah, basically that's what the show was all about yesterday. And overall uMaceleke esihleli in therapy session ukuthi that's how sometimes she feels like almost akamboni as individual, umbona as collective, as abafazi bebonke. Thandwa Nothembi was very nice. It's a nice, brilliant show, but we're gonna need Umusa Mselegu to try harder and control lesa sithembu sakhe because siphume eceleni. But one of the most important things that he needs to do is to call Thobile into order. If Thobile decide to be akusahlala eThekwini, akahlala eThekwini, and she mustn't come and corrupt the other wives. Thobile must just do her own things, and Mselegu must stop uncenga and back these wives. Please make sure that you subscribe and let's have a conversation. What was your thoughts? Episode Yezolo Thandwa Nothembi season 9.
It's a present.
It's very heavy, man.
It's not steady.
Okay,
Nini, hayibo. Number 5 this, number 5 that. Hayi, sehlisa isidima umtshela ukuthi ngisho njalo.
I do indaba ukuthi manje nje bengicela bazomjolo wami.
Hlalela 7 years usilinde number 5 akaphendule number 5 ayikuphi.
Esokuthi phela masesigodwe ngasicini. My man made me well aware ukuthi it's not going to be a walk in the park, so I knew ukuthi me going to stay khona and it wasn't going to be an overnight thing. It's going to take time.
Ithini?
Sisemlindweni, not yet ukhulu.
Hayi.
Akazi.
Manje evakelo lahambo lethu ke kwagcina ngazange iphinde hlangana Zulu.
Hayi, loso sisudlu uzulalihlangana.
Awufethu.
Soze
Basijikise egate ngaphela kanjalo.
nje akukho ukuthi ozokwenzeka.
Abananembeza nabo.
Yena mombuzo uthini? Phela uyagonushe.
Ngeke phela sekhonishate kakhulu. Sekhonishate kakhulu.
Sekhonishate kakhulu.